Over the last calendar year, a lot of y'all got into some fancy ride machines. We know our customers aren't newbies on the trails, but this could be your first year in the winter, and we're gonna help you with some tips and tricks here at Team Winnebagoland. Today we're going to be using the RZR 1000 Premium Ride Command model as our example machine. The fit and finish that Polaris has on all their accessories are just top notch. The accessory package we cannot stress enough is our off-road essentials pack. You need the machine you took out to get home in one piece. From a first aid kit to a spare belt, this essentials pack is going to get you back home. Next thing I'm going to do is set myself up for the winter. Between this heated vest, heated gloves, or heated shield on the snowmobile helmet, I'm making sure my... Oh. All right, running back. The next thing I'm gonna do is set myself up to make sure I'm not cold out on the trails. Between the heated vest, heated gloves, or heated shield on my snowmobile helmet, I'm gonna be toasty all ride long. Now, if you're naturally running hot, or still got the meat sweats from the Northwoods bar, just some of the Lockeride accessories to get you out of the wind is going to be all you're going to need. Between the soft canvas enclosure, this full glass windshield, or the light bar up here, we have all the accessories you need for the ever-changing weather up in the North Woods. The boys and girls over here at Team Winnebagoland have spent countless long nights trying to make these things as comfy as they can be out on the trails all year round. So if you got cabin fever and you think you need to get out and get a little throttle therapy in, come see me, your boy, Hunter.
Come on the winter ride!